Welcome to our channel. Today, we will introduce you to the various features of aluminum fence panels, including appearance, style, performance, and its application. Regarding aluminum fence panels, we are committed to providing perfect packaging and customized processing services. These aluminum fence panels are available in a variety of sizes and styles. Let's take a look. First, let's take a look at the appearance of aluminum fence panels. Aluminum fence panels are usually made of aluminum alloy with a modern and elegant design. Their surface is finely processed, smooth and wear-resistant, and can withstand various weather conditions. Whether it is classic white, stylish black, or other customized colors, aluminum fence panels can perfectly blend with the surrounding environment and enhance the overall beauty. Next, we would like to emphasize the perfect packaging of aluminum fence panels. XTaluminum, as one-stop aluminum solution manufacturer, can ensure that each aluminum fence panel is well protected during transportation. Our packaging design is not only waterproof and moisture-proof, but also effectively prevents scratches or damage during transportation, ensuring that each aluminum fence panel you receive is intact and undamaged. In addition, XTaluminum also provides customized processing services. Whether you need a specific size, shape, or color, we can customize it according to your needs. This flexibility allows aluminum fence panels to be widely used in different occasions, such as residential, commercial buildings, and public places, meeting the needs of various fencing solutions. Finally, aluminum fence panels are more than just a tool for isolation. They can also enhance the security and privacy of a space. Whether in your home, office, or public area, choosing the right aluminum fence panels can provide you with ideal protection and aesthetics. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in aluminum fence panels or our customized services, please visit XTaluminum's official website or subscribe to our channel for more information. We look forward to providing you with quality aluminum solutions.